Okay, hello guys, it's Zach3LD here. So today we are going to play Roblox BedWars. I'm going to do the classic mode. Okay, I'm just gonna go to classic mode. I never really explored around here in the lobby. Okay, we're already going. Oh, why did I do that? So we can hide. No! Damn! Where'd I go? No! Got killed by the void. Man. For real? I'm not really good anyways. Damn it. Oh no, how are we gonna even survive this? How am I gonna survive this anyway? Oh shoot. Okay, at least my goal is to at least just try to do this. Oh man! Oh, I'm so bad at this. Wait, no, I'll leave. We'll go lobby. No, wait. We go to the lobby or? Yeah, let's go lobby. I guess I'll play infected. I'm really better at this than regular classic. I'm really bad at classic. Oh. Hey, we're teleporting to the match right now. Where are we teleporting? Oh. I don't even have any any kits. I could get some because I have some Roblox, but anyway. My friend has a kit. Oh yeah, I love infected movies. He'd like get a free bow and an arrow. This is just good. Is that our map? Because that looks weird. Oh, let's go here. You just have to like press this so you don't get like hurt by the bots, and then you become a zombie. Oh no. Okay, easy. That was easy. I'm gonna start off with the iron sword. Already got an iron sword. And I like this because you like automatically get the iron. And that's really good. I'm gonna try doing this fast because I have a time limit. Or I could just make a part 2 of this. Yeah. Oh, I could get leather armor. Wait, let me get some. Oh wait, I'm gonna change this. Oh no. Cool. Why did I do that? Why did I do that? Oh, I see some of the infection. I'll just stay inside for a little. No. Yeah. I have a lot of this. Just like 21. Yes. Yay. Yes. I'm sorry. We get 20, just need another 20, and then an iron pickaxe. Oh, wait, I already got an iron pickaxe, didn't I? Wait, what? Oh, took me on. Yay! We already got a diamond pickaxe, that's pretty good. How do you purchase the diamond generator? Wait a minute, I need to know. Oh, you already repaired it? How did you get even emeralds? How did you even get emeralds? But okay. Yeah, I got static one. Maybe I could. Oh, why did I waste that? That never actually works because there's no bed. I just need to purchase everything. Come on. Oh, first person be like. This is good. I never actually tried first person in BedWars. Okay, I like this because you get to build faster in first person. Here, look at this. If you like this. One. Get out of here. I'm gonna get out of here. I don't want to risk anything. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. That's so much iron. That's so much. Can get some arrows and now I'm gonna get a fire. Oh, some Tesla, maybe like one Tesla coil trap. Wait, I need to get that Tesla coil trap. How do I, oh, it's in my chest. What should I replace? Oh, I don't know. Let's just not do anything about it. Let's do some team upgrades. Oh my goodness, I did that. Diamond damage tier 2. Yes, sir. That's super good. Oh no, what's happening? What's happening? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, why did he keep on teleporting? Hello. Hello. Oh my goodness. Get out, get out, get out. Going. Armor protection. Buy some upgrades. Oh no, no, no. Resume. No! Ah. I accidentally had that open. Ah, it's okay. Now you can see how useless a zombie is. See, it's so bad. First person mode. Hey, let's do some bridging. I just want to practice. I'm super bad. Why? Does that always happen? Why am I so bad? That's my question. Oh my goodness. Why is first person mode so hard? Oh, why doesn't people drop by? But I cannot pick it up. So for real? Why am I so bad at bridging? Wait, I have a good idea. Look at this, guys. I'm gonna go really close and bridge up, and then use my teleport. Because that teleports me, obviously. Okay. When will I do it? Let me collect some. For real? Can we get diamond? Real? Oh, okay. Cannot. Now I learned that. Okay, let's see this. Time to shine. Wait, let's see first person building mode. No. No! No! That hurt? That hurt? Who is shooting me? Ah! Oh, that hurt! How dare they? They will get revenge. I will get revenge, I mean. Sorry. Come on, let's go now. Go. Hello, humans. Where are you? Where are the humans? Do we just win? Or... Okay, it's the time limit. I'll see you guys later. in the next video. I'm sorry that I haven't been uploading. Bye!